Hey, good morning, everyone. Today is 29th of February 2024. This year is a leap year. Interesting. So it's around 9:26 a.m. in the morning. Okay. There's a major item coming out tonight in terms of news, right? You can see from the left screen, tonight we have a PCE data. All right. I think that PCE data might be a little bit resilient in my opinion. Okay. So they were like 0.2% previously, and they are expecting 0.4% right now. So they are already kind of expecting something higher. All right. For example, they are like between 0.2 or 0.4 is not so bad, but let's say the release data is way above 0.4, that would be a very big problem. Okay, what kind of signal will give to the market? If they are, too high, is to signal the market that the inflation, or like something to related to inflation, is not really going away, right? And it might trigger the Federal Reserve not to raise rate, or not to raise rate, or even I think it will trigger the Federal Reserve not to cut rate, okay? Because inflation is still very high, that might be cause some bearish negative action might be in the market. So that's my theory. This is something that we need to be quite careful. Okay, so before that, I think market will be just drifting along only. So tonight, 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, please be aware of that. Okay, so let's start with analysis together. Okay, start with the British pound. Okay, as usual, the left side is our CFD, the right side is our future. Okay, British pound, I was kind of like a neutral in the previous day, all right? And markets, I think, turned out to be in a quite mode, in my opinion. I wasn't really so keen on the bullish side. The reason being because we are already at a very congested, sideways region. I think going forward, look at the yesterday candle here. You see the market is kind of like started as a bearish candle. All right, they go all the way down, but they was kind of like pull back here and close in the near to the middle or the top part. So the point here is that, okay, it is a bearish candle for sure, but at the same time, it shows that there's some fighting coming back in to push the price back up. So it's a bearish candle, but along the day, there's some bullish signature also in it. Okay, so I will be slightly bearish or neutral. Okay, the market, I will be like openly bearish if the market really managed to break this level again. Okay, I don't really think it will happen because there is already the pin buy is happening, so we might go and retest here, in my opinion. So we are stayed one day too early to be bullish. All right, look at the retail trader. Retail traders are -62. So I think market might have a bit of up move potential, in my opinion. Okay, so definitely today I'm not really so bearish. So I'm rather stay with a neutral for the time being. Okay, I will not short lah, put it this way. Euro. Yeah. Euro on the usual, not going to say already. On the left is CFD, on the right is Shicha. Okay, Euro, the same thing. You see, we have a very good run yesterday. The market really broke those previous swing level like here. Of course, they didn't manage to break here, but they have a previous swing level here. So I think we can even say that the yesterday move was a stop hunting move, So, look at the pin bar that is come back in to push the price back up. So I think what the market likely will do is that I think they were likely to do this, in my opinion. So exactly, don't sell at all. Of course, price action is not bullish. So I think at least we stay neutral. Do not short sell. Okay. Okay. Unless maybe by end of today we have a kind of like bearish candle following up, then we can change the tune. Okay. So I don't really want to be bearish at this moment. And moreover, our weekly plan is slightly bullish. So most likely, if the market go lower, our whole week I will do nothing. Okay. Because why? Because trading is waiting. Okay, hang on. I think we have a very interesting pattern on this guy. Okay, Aussie. I agree with the fact that the price action is pretty bearish. All right, the price action is very bearish. And in terms of retail traders, in terms of retail traders, they are plus 84. Okay, what does it mean? It mean they are, the market is going down lower, they keep on buying, right? They keep on buying until the retail traders are so overbought already, so extreme already. So I think by tomorrow, okay, if this two things happen now, I mean by tomorrow morning, first thing, the retail trader from plus 84, they become they drops. Let's say they become like plus 80 or even plus 76 or whatever. Okay. And another thing is that we have a bullish candle. If it does, I think we will have a bullish case scenario by then. Okay. So it's kind of like same thing here as well. I will not really so eager to sell right now just because of the price action is bearish. Okay. So either I don't make money or, I just miss the chance. So I will just let it be. I will be slightly bearish because give some face to yesterday price session, but I will wait for a bullish candle. Okay. So my recording will be, I will write down slightly bearish, but wait for bull candle to enter long. Okay. So maybe happen. If may not happen, I will recheck again over the weekend. All right. So this is what it is. And let's take a look on the New Zealand. New Zealand was my recommended pair last over the weekend. Okay, I haven't entered any trade at all because I'm waiting for that. Now, sometimes market doesn't go in your intended direction. No point chasing, right? Currently, quite similar in my opinion. Same thing. Their retail trader also now is plus 82%. Okay, don't get me wrong. Market can go further, then they become like a plus 90 or whatever. Okay, it happened before. But in terms of probability wise, yeah, plus 82 is already quite extreme already. So same thing, we won't be surprised if we have a bullish candle by today. And after that, they will just go back up. So should you long or not? I will not be suggesting yet. We need to wait at least one more candle. Will be better in my opinion. Okay, so it's same thing. I'm bearish, of course. We cannot be so stubborn. I'm bearish. Look at the price action of yesterday. Pretty bearish. All right. The only thing is that I'm refusing to long only. Okay. So I will not. Sorry. Only thing that I'm refusing to short only. I will wait for a long position. All right. You want to go. If you want to go Yishun, you have to wait for Yishun or Yishun bus or Yishun train, right? I mean, you want to go to Yishun. What for? We go and wait at the like Old Train Park or whatever. You got what I mean? You have to have a proper way out, proper way to it. So my thinking is that I would like to long, so I will wait for bullish candle. So that's my commitment on that. Okay, please let me know by today also. Today is only Thursday. Maybe we still got tomorrow as well. I won't be surprised we have a bullish candle by today. Okay, if it doesn't, okay, we just skip it and we wait for the weekend. Reevaluate our analysis ready. Are we clear on this? So I'm bearish, but wait for bull candle. We have quite a lot of position that we have to manage. So, it's even better that we are not adding a lot of new position. Okay, gold. All right, gold is okay. Yesterday I want to write out about gold, but I keep it first because sometimes market is a little bit too uncertain. Okay, I have read some of the comments saying that looking for a short, right? Okay, you see, gold is of course, the market is trying very hard to break this level, right? 2040, this kind of level. And they are not succeeding yet. Of course, they are not succeeding yet because this level is not a joke level, ma. This level is such a very resisting level. You cannot have a normal just any day to break it out. You need a very strong particular reason to break it out, right? So, but at the same time, our weekly plan. Our weekly plan is bullish, all right. So, I would rather wait for bullish case scenario, right? What for you go and chase something that you are not comfortable, right? So wait for your plan setup to appear. I think that will be the keyword here. So instead of selling, I say just wait long. So what happened now is the market, we have a pretty decent bullishly looking candle showing up ready. So I think what will happen is the market will likely to drift up higher. So Yeah, going forward, yeah, I think the market will, what will happen is that, of course, we may not immediately go like this, right? But it will just, drift around and go up higher. So gold and silver in the near future, I think we are going to have a very bullish case scenario. May not immediate run, but it will take some time, but stay on the downside. Okay, so wait for the price to pull back, you buy, let the market go in your favor, move your stop loss to break even, go for another round, just keep on doing that. So I will be staying with the gold long for quite a while, actually. Okay, unless when the weekend come, they have a different give us a different idea, according to our weekend analysis. Okay, so I'm slightly bullish on gold actually. All right, so stay on the buy side, guys. Don't try not to sell because I think every pullback will be short span. Okay, so I'm bullish on this fella. Okay, let's put it this way. We KIV even this guy because price action is really favorable to the buy side. So we have number one KIV on the go. I think silver also will be roughly the same. Look at the silver, even better. And also look at the retail trader position of the silver. Okay, hang on. Look at the retail trader position of the silver. The retail trader positions are plus 79. So what are they doing? Of course, as the market go down lower, all right, and they will be like plus 50, then go down some more. Instead of selling, all right, what they do? They increase their long position. They fight the market, right? Plus 60. Now they are plus 79 already. Okay. They are not exactly plus 90 or whatever, but they are quite nearing to the extreme case scenario already. So I won't be surprised market will bounce back up and this percentage will start to drop. So that means as the market go up higher, what they do, they keep on dropping. So they become from plus 79, they become plus 75. If they go up some more, they become plus 70, this kind of stuff. Okay. So I'm pretty bullish looking on this guy as well. So I think the market is going to go up higher. Okay, where will they go up to? Of course, they can go up to here first, just a retest, this kind of level. I think last few days move is nothing but the stop hunting. So I'm pretty bullish on silver right now, gentlemen. Okay. So I will say this is my recommendation for today. Okay, just in line as with our weekly recommendation as well. So our weekly is bullish on this guy. So I'm recommending this guy today as well. Okay, so we have one recommendation, silver long, and we have one KIV, which is a gold on the buy side as well. Okay, let's move on. US dollar Canadian. Okay, US dollar Canadian, our weekly plan is neutral. Okay, our weekly plan is neutral. And if you look at US dollar Canadian, what is happening to these guys that they are already at the so-called like a double bottom. So of course it's a double top lah, right? Okay, at the same time, another thing that I want you to take note is that we are in the minus 74% for the retail trader holding already. So same thing, what have been happening? Retail traders are keep on shorting as the market go up higher, and they are totally unsustainable. So the moment they start to reduce their short position, example, minus 80, I think this is where the market will likely to turn. Okay. As of right now, we have a very bullish looking candle yesterday. So of course, I will not suggest you to sell for now. I think market will likely to drift higher to, to stop hunt this kind of region first, in my opinion. So we are talking about currently is 1.357. We are talking about 1.362. So maybe potentially they can go another 50 more points before they met very strong resistance here. So I will be slightly bullish. All right. But I won't be doing long for them at the moment. Okay. All right. Let's take a look on another fella. Swiss franc. Wait, I think I do this. Okay, Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc have been like really on the sideways mode at the moment. Okay, in terms of retail trader, they are plus 51. So basically, market is really sideways. So I think it will be sideways. All right, just neutral will be the better words here. Okay. All right, let's take a look on the US dollar JPY. Also sideways. All right. So sideways on them. So apparently those US dollar JPY, US dollar CHF are kind of like a they are like a sideways kind of movement going on right now. The retail traders are minus 70. So I think the market will really be really tricky. All right. Then they are nothing so extreme as well. Look at the price session of yesterday. Okay, so just being a little bit sideways in my opinion. If you remember our last analysis, I was expecting they will do some sort of like extreme condition first before they go down. So I think we are waiting for this kind of chance. So don't short just like that. Market may not, just nicely will go down easily. They may do a bit of stop hunting. So, they may even go to above this and stuff like that. So my thinking is that if you want to short US dollar JPY, that might be the case here in my opinion. All right, not hurry to sell. So currently it's neutral. Then we won't be surprised if they push back up first as well. Okay, so it's neutral. Okay, let's talk about Dow Jones. Surprisingly, Dow Jones have been dropping for the past few days, right? While all the other markets are really going up, right? Dow Jones is kind of like dropping. Okay, let's see. So what happened to Dow Jones is that they just go back to this swing level only. So I think they just find some support here. All right, so find some support here. I am still expecting we may have some kind of bullish case scenario stay going on right now. Dow Jones as per our weekly plan is slightly bullish. So let's see how price action move today. Okay, let's say the price action is kind of like bullish, and I think it will continue to go up higher. That might be the case. All right, and where are the good support level? We have a good support level here, and we have another good support level here. So this is the two level that we should be talking about. Like for example, like 38500. All right, this will be a very good support level. All right, so for Dow Jones, not really hurry for a short right yet. I'm not seeing anything so bearish at the moment. So let's see. All right, let's see. We are stay pretty much on the higher high, higher low, this kind of stuff. Okay, I would like to wait for at least this weekend. Give me a so-called perspective overall market. Okay, this guy is one day up, one day down. I think the market is still going to go up higher for sure. All right. It's just that they really want to test some support or not. Okay. This is the Hong Kong index. I am pretty bullish on them. And instead of selling, what will I do? I will take profit from my long and I will wait for another round. Okay. So I think 16.2 is a very good support region. All right. I think eventually market will go up higher, gentlemen. Don't worry on that. Okay, it's just that the only thing is that we do not know whether our market will go this way or market will go this kind of way. Okay, but anyway, the direction to me is up. All right, so buy or wait and buy will be the better choice here. Okay, so yeah, let's focus and let's just follow slowly. Okay, all right. So this on the Hong Kong index. Okay, DAX also the same. I'll follow the Dow Jones, right? They are stay pretty on the high side. Same thing, the left side is CFD, right side is the future. We are still seeing some bullish case scenario on them. The volumes are pretty healthy as well. So I think the market might have a bit of up move in my opinion. No hurry to sell a lot. Okay. So it's not really that bearish. Okay, let's talk about oil. I think oil is very interesting as well. Okay, as you already know, I'm quite favorable to this crude oil and stuff like that. Energy. Okay. All right. So I was expecting market will go here for retest. Looks like it's not happened. So I will take it away. Okay. I think going forward, right? Oil is nothing but the bullish case scenario. Okay. Why? You see, they really have a nice so-called like a support testing. I think they are going to run really high up, in my opinion. Okay. Don't get fooled by the yesterday this kind of pin bar one day. One day pin bar doesn't mean a thing. Okay. Look, you have to look in the market structure. Market structure is, to me, is pretty bullish. It's just that, I mean, the smart money don't want everybody to be on the same side, right? They want to shake people out first. All right. So how do they shake people out? Of course, they shake people out by going into the opposite direction, right? It means if they are bullish, they can just go do the market like that. Cannot be like that, right? So what they do, they have to shake people out thinking the market is going down. When they sell, then the market go back up. So, scenario one is logical, or scenario two is logical. Of course, scenario two is how the market move, right? So same thing, I think market will eventually go up higher. So crude oil, I'm on the bullish side. Maybe next 3 weeks or next 3 months, I just chill and I will stay on the buy side. Okay. All right. So it's bullish, guys. Stay on the buy side only. Another one is wheat. Okay, this is my favorite for the time being. These three guys they are my favorite at this moment. Okay. So I am quite excited and I'm looking forward for their bullish case scenario coming up. Don't worry, we are stay early, guys. Don't worry. Okay, nothing so obvious yet. All right. So this is where we slowly pick up our bullish case scenario. No need to chase, no need to buy a lot of position. You can buy one time a week or stuff like that. No, you don't have to push a lot, but I expect market to go a lot higher. Of course, you know what I'm looking at. I will look at our weekly data, and I think the market will likely to drift higher and higher. Okay, this will be my chance for this 2024, the second quarter. Okay, so I'm expecting market will likely to go up higher soon. Okay, so wheat. Another one is corn. Just focus on this shoe for the next 3 months, right? Just slowly focus and just slowly wait. All right, because you already know roughly what is going to happen. Okay, so I think corn also is nothing. I think we will have a very bullish case scenario coming up. Okay, I think we should revisit this video next 3 or 6 months later. Okay, so no hurry. I mean, we cannot predict the exact turning point. By doing so, that's where a lot of traders fail. Nobody can tell you the exact, or you buy now, you will go up now, you will sell now. No, you can't do that. All right, you will get lucky once in a while. Then people will say, "Wow, this guy very accurate." No. If you see long enough, there's a lot of wrong call as well. All right, but the point here is that looks like it's going to go up higher, maybe 60 to 70% assurance. All right, but we don't know when exactly the point. Just follow with the flow slowly. All right, that's the reason why investors tend to make more money than the technical analysis, because investor they just solve one problem only. It is going up or going down. That's it. They just solve one problem. They just try to answer one question. But as a technical analysis, they try to answer 2 questions. So, the chance of failure is very high. What are the 2 questions? The first question is it going up or going down? Okay, so he already got 50-50 chance already. All right, 50-50 chance of it. Then even if he's right, he tried to answer one more additional question. What question is that? He say, okay, it's going up. I say go up, so the market go up. But not only the market have to go up, the market have to go up now. You cannot let the market go up, let's say drop 20 points and go up, because by the time it dropped 20 points, already stop out already. So as a technical trader, he's answering 2 things. Not only up or down, he also try to answer when, now or whatever. You are right. That's why the technical trader tend to lose more money than the investor actually. You see, or like the Warren B, right? This guy is not a technical trader, because you know why? He just answer one question only. He look at the market, is it going up or going down? That's all. Okay. All right. So same thing on this guy. I'm thinking market will go up higher. So I'm answering this question, but I tried not to answer when. Okay. But roughly, I gave a bit of sort of like leeway next 3 to 6 months. Okay. So meanwhile, we just add slowly. If the market go in your favor, just add and go up a bit more. Move your stop loss to the break even. Then you see whether can add some more or not. Okay. Because if the market go against you so much, you don't suffer so much drawdown or so much loss also. Okay. So, well, this is what we can do. Okay, another one is soybean. Okay, soybean will be the same as well. All this guy is roughly the same. Okay, so no hurry. Okay, no hurry. Just try to follow slowly. Look at the yesterday price action. You see, soybean, we have a very nice pin bar 2 days in a row. Okay, not so 100% obvious yet, but I think we will start to go up higher. So since it is not obvious, we won't be adding so much position also, right? So let the market play out first. Okay, so I'm expecting market will go up higher. Okay, last but not least, BitCoin. Okay, Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin, I have to use this. Sorry, not this one, this one. Okay, Bitcoin, we have a very good price action. We have a very good volume here. Okay, just keep in mind, okay, we have a kind of like a pin bar going on already after 2 days of solid candle. So I will be a little bit careful. Look at the where is the control of the Bitcoin. The control of the Bitcoin is somewhere around here, 61.5 region. Okay, so I would suggest Bitcoin not to chase too much already. Okay, this is number one. Okay, so number two is this guy. Hang on. You see why the reason Bitcoin go up for the past 3 days too fast? Okay, the main reason is this guy. Look at the this, the stable coin are being pumped into. You see the intensity, right? That's why for the past 3 days the market have been really going up a lot. Okay, but if you look into the perspective, 3 days ago is very high, 2 days ago is high, but a bit lesser. And if the stable coin start to go sideways, or if the stable coin start to drop, you need to be careful. Okay, I'm not suggesting you to be short at all. None at all, not at all. It's just that I will want you to be careful a little bit on the Bitcoin only. Okay, so not really so keen to buy it now really. Okay. Okay, so this on the Bitcoin. So if what is the warning point? Let's say, of course, if this guy start to drop a lot, then I will start to talk about selling or whatever. But it is not happening. So just follow with the big caution only. Okay, but instead of Bitcoin, I will suggest you to go for other coins. For example, like Luna, right? So you can see here, okay, Luna, right? One thing that I'm very interested is that you look at what happened to the yesterday candle. Look at the yesterday candle. You see, while we are sleeping, you see the market really just have a quick, they call it flash crash, lah, right? They can call it flash crash. Then after the market really have a very bullish looking candle. So to me, this is like a rubber band. You pull one side, then you let go. Then you have a very high intensity snap, in my opinion. So if I'm not wrong, going forward for the next few days, I think as the Bitcoin start to a little bit slow down, I think those altcoin, they call it altcoin, will start to rally, in my opinion. All right. So I'm expecting we have a very good push coming up soon. So I will be monitoring the altcoin. Let's say if it happen, of course we will capitalize it. Okay. You got my point now. So Bitcoin might take a bit of backstage a little bit, but I think the altcoin will pick up. All right. I will only bearish on Bitcoin. I mean, over the Saturday, there's some other data coming out, or this stable coin minting has dropped. Okay, so it is not happening at all. So just follow along first. And last but not least, let's talk about next gas. Okay, next gas, we have a buy position. All right, I don't really think we will add a lot at this moment. I think I'll wait for next week. And let's see how the weekend data show. But anyway, I think the Nasdaq is going to go up higher eventually. So currently at the resistance level, so I think it made me more reason not to add position at all at this moment. Let's see how first. Okay, but I'm still on the long side. Wait for the weekend data, then we will add accordingly. We are in the profit already. All right, we are in the profit already. So let's see lah before we chase. Okay. All right. So let's do the quick summary. Okay, I have one recommendation. I think I am expecting silver to go up higher. Okay, this number one. I have one KIV, which is gold to go up higher as well. So you can choose either one, all right? But of course, if you ask me to choose either one, I would say silver is look better to me. So I have one recommendation, silver long, one KIV, gold long. Okay, and I have one more KIV is that this thing that I just mentioned to you just now, I think the alternative coins are about to run a lot higher. You no need to chase Bitcoin all the time. Look out for those alternative coin. Okay, I will say one of them is Lunar Sea. Another one that I'm sure you already know already that we already have position and we are in a very good profit is AVX. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for joining me. I hope this is a fruitful session to you.